Hello, I want to ask something about what do's and don'ts during an interview. First, if I want to do an interview at the company, what clothes can I wear?
Do you to search the website situation and now how company the provides the dress code? If the company rules casual clothes, use long pants and shirts. But if it's more formal, then you wear traditional business attire. Do not, if conducting an interview, it is advisable not to wear casual clothes because that will give the impression that you are not serious about conducting interview.
The next, how about my movement or body language when I'm doing an interview?
When you are conducting an interview, use body language that makes you feel confident. For example, by sitting up straight, leaning slightly forward, and looking into your interview eyes. Smile with each interview, and do not nod your head slightly when the interview is talking. And do not breathe down or cross your arms when question is asked. You should not appear nervous during interview.
The next question is what action should I take while the interview is in progress?
While the interview is progress, you must remain calm and relaxed because the interview is designed to see how you are with the interviewer. When the interviewer asks an expanded question, be as relaxed, flexible, and engaging as possible. You should don't show signs of panic and do not lose your cool and things take an extended turn or when you have a difficult question and then and do not rush and stutter when answering a question. How to listen while during an interview? What are the do's and does not?
Okay, listen to each question as it is asked. You may even want to take notes. Then, calmly and confidently answer the question in a way that highlights your best attribute. It's important. Don't rush off the topic of your interviewer question onto your resume. Stay on topic and highlight the way your background addresses that topic.
The next, if I want to ask about the company during an interview, what are the do's and does not?
Well, this is important because asking questions show your interest in the company. So all you have to do is prepare question based on your research of the company, and it will be better if your question demonstrates knowledge of the industry sectors and the company. And the next, don't wait until the end of interview or the interviewer asks you have any question, but you must show the initiative and the confidence to ask first.
Oh, I see. Then the last, how to wrap up the and exit during the interview is done.
Make sure you don't rush the ending or leave. You have to give a firm handshake, look the interviewer in the eye, and you can say, "Thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure meeting you and learning about the role." and I'm looking forward to hearing the next step. Even if you are worried that the interview didn't go well, now's not the time to feel stressed. You should focus on leaving a good final impression.
Okay, now I understand the do's and does not during the interview. Thank you for the advice. It's very useful for me.
My pleasure.